the third hand. There we go. Theoretically, that should be the angle I need right there. So, let's set this at 30 degrees. Right there. Lock it down. Adjust the fence. Let's go with a try with this. Get rid of the saw fuzzes. Why am I never on a roll? There it is, down below. That I can then glue down to that. Put some painter's tape on the other side of this. And I can glue down to that. And so now I have no problem with gluing that to that and having it locked right down on. Two, three, getting rid of the wispices. No, like this, like that. There we go, that's a better one, there we go. This, and by this. So, and they're going to slide out this direction. So, let's get rid of you, you, you. So if these slide out this way, this pair slides out this way. To point. There's one done. Need 6 more. So that should be tight. And then we need to go in here. Hey, 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 look at that, look at that, look at that. As the Europeans say, we need a cramp. theoretically and reality are two very different things. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. Uh-oh, we stopped. So for those of you wondering about this, with the tape, the nice thing is, it eventually, well, it kind of, you know, it's a bit of a pain, but, uh-oh, is it glued? Oh no, just like that, you can peel it off the surface, have a nice clean surface. But yeah, it's actually a really good bond. So you this head is not as pleasing as I'd want. There we go, it's coming out. Let's try it again. A little more wax, a little more patience. Who knows what'll happen. There we go. Hey, there we go, look at that. And they come together to here, in which case then I gotta push a couple past each other. You're good, you're good. Oh, you need a little more there. There it goes, look at that. Hey, look, it comes together. Now, can I get it apart? There we go. I like that. Now, this one and this one, yeah, coming apart's more difficult. Can I get it apart at all? Yeah, it comes apart. So there you have it. This is a fun little puzzle, and it is surprisingly difficult to take apart once it is together, but it is a lot of fun. This is a design that I saw a while ago on flooring, and it made me think, you know, if you reverse it and put it on the other side, I'm sure someone else has done something very similar to this. It's a very simple thing, and it's a lot of fun. It's a good way to test your skills and play with different angles and try different things. It's a fun beginner project. So I'm probably going to be doing something more than this because I'd like to do something with more specific joinery. Particularly if you'd like to see the how-to on this where I actually talk through what am I doing and why am I doing it, because this whole thing was very much an experiment for me. I just want to play with a different methodology and try new things. So if you want to see that, my second channel, Wood by Wright How-To, is all about the education and the teaching and the thinking that goes into all the projects you see on this channel. So you can hop over to that channel. There's links to that down below. And if you have any thoughts or something I could do better or something I can try differently, let me know that as well. This is a fun one, and I would like to try some other things on it. I think there are some other interesting ideas that we can do with it. So if you have suggestions for that, let me know that as well. There are the comments down below that really help out the channel, as well as clicking the like and subscribe and sharing button. Honestly, those help out the video, so thank you. If you think someone else would like to see this, please share it with them. On top of that, a really big thank you to everyone over here on the side who are patrons on Patreon. They are the ones keeping this channel going. Without patrons and members, people who've clicked that little join button, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to help out with that, there are links to Patreon down in the description down below, or you can click the little join button and become a member here, and I do have special perks for both members and patrons. So I think that'll about do it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. See, even my projects want to say, live long and prosper. Because hexagons are the bestagons.